Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the language in your Bentley GT Continental. To changing the language, you have to press setup. Then there is option language here, and there you have language you can choose from the car. There is a US, English or Francis, so we can change it. If you want to add some other language, you have to press replace, but you have to get the CD with the other language. So that's it for now. If you want to other language, just choice here, go back to your audio, and your language will be changing. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.